Hi, this is Sandeep again. So my smoke alarm is just beep, and on this video I'm going to show you how to replace this kind of smoke alarm. So it's really easy. So this is the old one, and this is the new one I just purchased. So I'm just going to replace this thing with this one. It's really easy. So the first thing, what I'm going to do, just push it here and then forward. It comes like this. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. So this is the new one. So the connection, they are quite similar, but this one is sealed. You can't see the battery here, but this one, the battery, you can see the battery. So this is the new one. So it's really easy, same thing, like this. Just make sure this and this goes here and here, and just it's done. So it's really easy to replace. You don't need any electrician or anyone to replace this smoke alarm. You can do it yourself at home. Just buy new one and replace it. And to test, so it's working.